Brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. The fire engine. Mommy Pig is dressed as a fireman. Mommy, why are you dressed like that? I'm going to be the mommy's fire engine party. Wow, this is just a good excuse for a cup of tea and a chat. Well, what are you doing today, Daddy Pig? I've got a very important meeting with the Daddy football team. That's just a lot of ground-up boys kicking a football around. We are having a barbecue as well. Here are Mrs. Bull, Mrs. Rabbit, Mrs. Pony, and Mrs. Zebra. Moo! Is Daddy Pig come out to play? Moo! Is Daddy Pig coming out to play? Come on! Mommy, can we see the fire engine? Yes! Oh, goody. This is Mrs. Rabbit's fire station. Hello, Peppa and George. Come and see the fire engine. Fire engine! There is a ladder for climbing a hose, for squeezing water, and a big bell to ring. Ding dong, ding dong! Now let's go up to the tower. To the tower and look for fires. Hello everyone. Hello Peppa. Hello George. Oh, who's for a nice cup of tea and a chat? That sounds nice. A telephone. Peppa, that is a fire phone. It's only to be used when there is a fire. Ah, fire! Fire! Fire station. Where is the fire? Where is the fire? Can I speak to Mommy Pig, please? Oh, it's Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig, you are not supposed to ring on this phone. It's only for emergencies. This is an emergency. I can't find the tomato ketchup anywhere. Daddy Pig, shall I start to barbecue now? Yes, please, Mrs. Rabbit. You be careful with the barbecue, Daddy Pig. Trust me, Mommy Pig. We daddies now are about barbecues. Bye. Maybe it needs more charcoal. Give it a bit of bowl. Put a few more fire lighters on. Now we just have to wait for a fire. How long do we wait? Oh, it could be a long time. I've been waiting ages. How many fires have you actually put out, Mrs. Rabbit? None. Not one fire, but you've got to be ready. It's a fire phone. Can you answer it, Peppa? I'll probably be your daddy again. Okay. Hello, fire station. Hello, Peppa. Oh, Daddy, it is you. You're very naughty. This phone is for fires only. Can you put Mrs. Rabbit on, please? That's a good girl. Daddy wants to speak to you. How, Daddy Pig? This phone is only to be used when there is a fire! Oh dear, Daddy Pig barbecue is on a fire. Fire! Mummies, to the rescue! Wee! Hold tight! Wee! Fire! Ding dong! It's Mrs. Rabbit's fire engine. Hooray! Stand back, Daddies. Mommy Dog, turn on the water. Aye, Mommy Pig. The fire is out. Hooray! Thank you for saving us. Mrs. Rabbit. No problem. Is all part of the surface, the mummy's fire engine surface. And now what, Mrs. Rabbit? And now that Mrs. Rabbit has kindly fooded our garden, we can all jump up and down in muddy puddles. Yes, I love fire engine, especially when they made muddy puddles.